maneuvering their limbs to control their descent. One male leads the troop, and the rest are females and young. The adults are supremely agile, but this 2-year-old is still developing the strength in his leg muscles. Today, he faces one of the biggest challenges of his life. The troop have exhausted supplies in this tree, so they have to move on. But it will take a giant leap across a gap of more than 20 feet. It's a 3-story drop. The older monkeys have spent years perfecting such large jumps. Climbing to the topmost branches, they launch, maneuvering their limbs to control their descent. The 2-year-old is up next. But it's all too much. Mom can't come to his rescue. Nailed it. And he gets a well-earned reward. Animals like the leaf monkeys help maintain the health of Loser's rainforest, spreading seeds and natural fertilizers as they move.